Delivering crystal clear audio is essential for any on-air performance. The best microphone for radio broadcasting ensures your voice sounds professional, rich, and consistent. From deep tones to crisp highs, these mics capture every detail, helping broadcasters create captivating, studio-quality sound every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shure SM7B Microphone. The Shure SM7B microphone has long been hailed as the gold standard in professional broadcasting and studio recording. Known for its rich, warm tone and impeccable noise rejection, this microphone has become a staple among podcasters, radio hosts, and vocalists who demand pristine sound quality. Its dynamic cartridge paired with a wide-range frequency response ensures smooth, natural audio reproduction across the vocal spectrum, capturing every nuance of your voice without distortion. What truly sets the SM7B apart is its broadcast-ready sound isolation. Shure's air suspension shock isolation system and built-in pop filter work seamlessly to eliminate mechanical noise, breathiness, and plosives, leaving you with nothing but clean, crisp sound. Whether you're narrating, singing, or speaking live, this mic makes sure your voice stands out clearly and professionally. The XLR connection is another highlight, offering users full control over EQ, gain, and tone adjustments when connected to an audio interface, making it perfect for fine-tuning your sound. The SM7B also impresses with its durable, all-metal construction and advanced electromagnetic shielding, which effectively blocks hums and interference from nearby electronic devices. Its versatility extends beyond just vocals. Instrument recordings sound equally clear and defined. From music studios to live broadcasting booths, the SM7B performs flawlessly in every scenario. Number 2. Shure MV6 Microphone. The Shure MV6 microphone combines simplicity and professional performance, making it ideal for streamers, podcasters, and creators who want plug-and-play convenience with studio-quality sound. Unlike bulky professional setups, the MV6 is ready to perform straight out of the box. Just connect it to your PC or laptop using the USB-C port and you're ready to go. There's no need for drivers or external power. Everything you need is built in. Its standout feature is the real-time denoiser, an intelligent system that filters out unwanted background noise like keyboard clicks, computer fans, and ambient chatter. This ensures your voice stays clean, focused, and prominent in any environment. Equipped with a dynamic capsule and a cardioid pickup pattern, the MV6 isolates your vocals beautifully, rejecting noise from the sides and rear for crisp and natural sound. Whether you're recording podcasts, streaming live gameplay, or conducting virtual meetings, your voice comes through crystal clear. The inclusion of a built-in 3.5mm headphone jack allows for real-time monitoring, giving users the ability to hear their audio exactly as it's being captured, an essential feature for fine-tuning tone and volume. Additional convenience comes from the tap-to-mute button, which offers instant privacy with just a touch, and on-mic gain control that adjusts dynamically to your voice and environment. Number 3. Shure MV7X Microphone. The Shure MV7X microphone is a superb choice for podcasters, vocalists, and broadcasters seeking professional-grade audio without breaking the bank. Modeled after the legendary SM7B, it brings the same trusted performance and aesthetic at a more accessible price point. The MV7X uses a professional XLR output, making it compatible with any audio interface or mixer, allowing users full control over their recording setup. Its dynamic cartridge, combined with Shure's signature voice isolation technology and cardioid pickup pattern, ensures your vocals stay front and center while eliminating unwanted background noise and room echo. This makes it perfect for recording in less than ideal acoustic environments. The built-in internal shock mount further reduces handling and vibration noise, maintaining clarity and consistency in every session. Designed for long-term reliability, the MV7X boasts a solid metal construction that feels both premium and durable, capable of withstanding daily studio use. For added flexibility, the microphone includes a 5/8 threaded yoke mount and an adapter for compatibility with most mic stands, ensuring easy setup in any workspace. Its simple yet powerful design caters to professionals who value high-quality sound without the need for complicated settings or software. Number 4. Shure MV7i Microphone. The Shure MV7i microphone redefines convenience and professional sound for today's broadcasters, streamers, and content creators. Certified for Open Broadcaster Software, OBS, it seamlessly integrates into any streaming setup, bringing you broadcast-quality audio without needing external gear. Its dual connectivity with both XLR and USB-C ports ensures versatility for any environment, whether you're recording in a studio or streaming from your home desk. One of its standout features is the customizable LED touch panel that not only displays audio levels, but also allows easy tap-to-mute control. With 16.8 million color options, you can personalize the mic's appearance to match your setup or mood through the Motive Mix app. Sound performance is where the MV7i truly shines. Built-in voice isolation technology and real-time noise reduction actively eliminate room echo, keyboard noise, and other distractions, keeping your vocals clean, balanced, and front-focused. The auto-level mode continuously adjusts gain and output based on your voice dynamics and distance, ensuring consistent clarity without manual adjustments. This makes it ideal for streamers who shift between talking softly and projecting excitement during live sessions. The MV7i also supports dual-channel recording, letting users record both vocals and instruments simultaneously. Number 5. RØDE NT1 Microphone. The RØDE NT1 microphone is a benchmark in studio-quality sound, offering a combination of warmth, detail, and exceptional clarity that has made it a favorite among professionals worldwide. This large diaphragm cardioid condenser microphone is designed for music production, vocal recording, streaming, and podcasting, making it an incredibly versatile addition to any setup. Equipped with RØDE's advanced HF6 1-inch true condenser capsule, the NT1 captures every nuance of the human voice with stunning precision. Its smooth frequency response and wide dynamic range ensure natural, lifelike reproduction across both high and low tones, making vocals sound polished and rich right out of the box. What sets the NT1 apart from other studio microphones is its exceptionally low self-noise level, just 4 dBA, earning it the title of one of the quietest microphones in the world. This ensures that every detail is captured without any hiss, hum, or unwanted interference, even in highly sensitive studio environments. The NT1's robust build, featuring a durable aluminum body with a matte black finish, provides excellent longevity while maintaining an elegant aesthetic. Included in the package are a premium shock mount, a pop filter, and a high-quality XLR cable. Everything you need to achieve a professional studio setup from day one. Its cardioid pickup pattern focuses on sound directly in front of the mic while rejecting unwanted noise from the sides and rear, ideal for both vocals and acoustic instruments. Whether you're recording soft acoustic melodies or energetic vocal tracks, the NT1 maintains consistency, depth, and clarity. It's also perfect for radio broadcasting, where clarity and warmth are key to an engaging sound. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.